Trust the timing of your life. Hi, Charles here. Good morning. It's Tuesday and here I am. Yeah, dito tayo sa bagong ruta. So yes, trust the timing of your life. So, di ba may konting pause? Hindi pa kapagsalita. But yeah, trust the timing of your life. So, sometimes hindi natin maintindihan yung mga bagay-bagay kasi parang we wanted to control it, diba, yung mga pangyayari. So lately may unfortunate na nangyari sa sitwasyon ko, but I believe na I have to trust the timing of your life kasi ito yung sinet ni Lord, ni God sa buhay ko, diba? Parang ito yung time na siguro He's trying to remove this thing to me kasi there's something better, di ba? Ganun naman lagi, kaya nawala yan kasi may something better. So yun din yung pinaniniwalaan ko, and right now na nasa transition stage ako, I'm just enjoying it, di ba? Taking the time and just keep going. Yun lang yung ginagawa ko kasi one day naman, if the time comes, darating tayo sa bagong opportunity na yun, bagong journey. But now, ito, na-enjoy ko lang yung buhay. Yeah. And ikaw din na nanonood nito, enjoy mo lang din yung buhay while you're waiting for something. Huwag ka lang sumuko, maniwala ka lang, trust and believe na God will make it happen for you, for us. At malapit na yung panahon na yun, konting kapit pa. Kaya bumangon ka na dyan, ha? Ayan lang, good luck. Annyeong, mama.